Hey everybody, it's Chris with Why Not RV, and I'm here at the 2023 Hershey RV Show with Dave from Future Solutions, and he's going to go and show us their new dual inverter setup that they are installing on the Momentums as an option. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Let's just get right into this. Let's see what this thing is all about.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is the dual inverter pack here at Grand Design Momentum. What we have here is we got two 3K hybrid inverters. We have two 50 amp solar controllers. You can see everything is flat cable, copper cable, excuse me, for the inverters, plus all the fusing that is required. This box also has dual fans on both sides, so you get plenty of airflow so it doesn't overheat. If I can show you real quick just how this thing stores, it gets up out of the way. It's as easy as that. It also comes with two struts, so it doesn't slam down and won't hurt anybody. Under here, we have two 400 amp batteries. These have internal BMS plus internal heat, metal case. So 800 amps, it's just a little over 10K of store power.
So like Dave was saying, this system is a dual inverter system with dual 3000 watt inverters. Now, are these inverters in phase or split phase, or is it just 120?
It's split phase, so you have leg one and leg two.
So we have two legs of 120, totaling a 240 volt connection. So you have a true 50 amp style connection.
When you're unplugged, you can run all three ACs, which is a lot different from other manufacturers who do invert the whole coach, but they can't run the whole coach off grid. That's the idea behind this package.
So with dual 3000 watt inverters, you can run both ACs, but just like all things, you're limited to your battery space.
Right.
But again, that's why you have a generator, recharge your batteries, use it when you're running 3 air conditioners. But for overnight, one AC, cycling on and off, this type of system is going to get you through more than likely without issue, depending on location, of course. So I know a lot of you guys out there probably looking at these inverters going, what are those? And I'm not going to go into full detail on them, but I will say they're extremely similar to something like a Victron Multi Plus, where it does the same type of power assist. If you're only on a 15 amp or 20 amp type of situation, it will pull the remaining extra amperage out of the batteries for that power assist for whatever extra you need. So it does have that same type of technology.
The system also comes up, it's going to be coming equipped with truck charging. The charger will go here. Here's your Anderson connector, and the cable will run up here in the chassis, right out, dropped by your margin. Up on the roof, there's 1,320 watts of solar. That's enough to charge one of the 400 amp batteries.
All right, so we came inside the rig, and I want to show you guys their equivalent, screen and whatnot to look at all the different information. So let's go ahead and take a little peek. All right, so right now when the system is on and there's power going to it, this screen is on. It doesn't ever turn off. But you show, obviously, just right here, you got your percentage, time remaining, power being used, the current, voltage, etc. You can click on the inverter and see what's happening with it. You can click on the information here, this is just software stuff. And then you can come in here and come into your settings, change your time. You can go into the battery, change your different alarms for high voltage, low voltage, state of charge. And here in the inverter is where you can change your short input. So let's say I am on a 15 amp circuit. I can go to 15 amps and I can hit confirm, and now it will be able to pull 15 amps from shore. From the main home screen, you have your solar, and you can just click, oh, what's my solar doing? And I missed the button, but let's try again. And then you can see what the first bank of solar is doing from the one solar charge controller, or you can change to the second bank and see exactly what's coming in, power, current, etc. Now let's go back home, and you can do the same thing over here. You click on more, and now you can see your battery. And same thing, battery 1, battery 2. And again, these come in multiple different packages, of course, and the price varies quite a bit depending on the capacity that you're doing. Now, if you're buying a Grand Design Momentum from the factory, that's where this can be done at, right from the factory, right from day one. That's the easiest and best way to do it. Now, they have 400 amp hour batteries and it comes in, and correct me if I'm wrong, Dave, but it's options of 800 amp hours, 1200, and 1600, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the minimum package is 800 amp hours, which that's pretty darn significant. Then of course you can go up to the 1200 and 1600, so 400 amp hour gains from there. Basically just adding one more battery or a fourth battery.
If the customer does decide to order another battery, it comes with all the proper 4-aught cabling. It comes with another 300 amp push-to-trip breaker and the communication cable and instructions to easily hook up.
Gotcha. And now, and the other option too here is, this is all done on the Grand Design Momentum, and you can do it from the factory and get that package done, and that's probably your best bet. However, if you do have a couple-year-old RV and you're looking to do a really, really good, solid solar off-grid type of upgrade, Future Solutions does still have this package available to install and build out for your specific RV. And again, price is always going to be variable because there's just way too many factors from different RVs, different layouts, different bays up front, where can this thing fit, et cetera, et cetera. So, but if you're curious about any of this stuff, I'm going to put a link in the description below to where you can contact Future Solutions directly and inquire about pricing, inquire about availability, timing, all that type of stuff.
So there it is. That's the package. You can order a brand new Momentum or Solitude with this option, or you can come up to Elkhart to Future Solutions and we can upfit you there.
As you can clearly see, that is one amazing system and setup that Future Solutions has put together for Grand Design. Now, of course, that is for Grand Design, for the Momentum, for the Solitude, for a brand new build. You can order that when you place your order for your new rig. However, again, they do custom upfits that are extremely similar. Basically all the same type of components and whatnot, just depending on your rig and your needs. Price is going to vary, blah, blah, blah. But if you have any questions, make sure to drop it in the comments below. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Why Not RV. Bye.